Sure. If I told you that your life could start changing from today by just improving 1% every day, then after 1 year you would become the kind of person people look at and say, how did you do this? The truth is, life doesn't change because of big decisions. It changes because of small, daily 1% improvements, the ones people usually ignore. We all dream big. We want to become something great, earn big money, do something in life that the world remembers. But the problem is that in the chase of big dreams, we forget to take small steps, and that is where we lose in the beginning. What does improving 1% daily mean? It doesn't mean making a big change every day. It means adding one small win each day, one small improvement, one small step. Easy to do and hard to skip. The mind is against big changes. That's why you say, from tomorrow, I will change everything. But tomorrow never comes because the mind immediately says, this is too hard. This is too big. Not today, but 1%. The mind says, this much can be done. And this much slowly becomes strength in your roots. Now, a story of an ordinary boy. Let's call him Ayan. Ayan wasn't a topper, no special talent, no confidence, and the biggest thing, he felt he could never do anything big. One day he was tired. He felt he had done everything wrong in life. But that night, he made one small decision. He would improve just 1% every day. Just 1%. He didn't make a big plan. No gym membership, no expensive books, no heavy routine. He just did this. 10 push-ups a day, 1 page reading a day, 2 minutes sitting and understanding his day. The first week, nothing changed. Second week, nothing changed. Third week, he almost quit. This is the point where most people give up. When results don't show up, people think, this method is not working. But the truth is, results never come in the beginning. Habits build first, and habits later produce results. Ayan made one rule. Missing 1 day is okay, but never miss 2 days. He didn't leave consistency. And that's when compounding started. 1 month passed. His energy changed. 2 months. His focus became clear. 3 months. People started saying, you are not the same person. 6 months later, Ayan was no longer that boy. His personality changed, his confidence changed, his mindset changed, and all this happened because of 1%. Not big decisions, small daily decisions. Now it's your turn. From today, you will start only 1%. Apply these 3 things immediately. First, 1 micro habit daily, 5 push-ups, 1 page reading, 2 minutes breathing focus. Any one thing that is so easy that you can't make excuses. Second, tie it to a fixed time. A fixed time. No confusion. Your mind should know this work is done at this time. Third, stop worrying about results. Consistency first. Results will come automatically. A year from now, you will look back and won't even recognize your old version because your new version will be built from your small 1% daily decisions. To change your life, you don't need big jumps. You need one small daily step. That same step will take you to the place where you always wanted to see yourself wherever you are today. You are not forced to stay there. You can change 1% daily. And if you start this 1% today, your future will start changing today itself. Remember, 1 year from now, the world will ask, what's the secret of your growth? And you will smile and say, nothing, just 1% daily.